Hi, I'm Deerhart. I'm teaching August 21st through the 24th, Elements of Desire, an erotic lab for queer men at Esalen Institute. So the Erotic Lab for Queer Men is a multiple day workshop that will allow men, people who identify as men, to really slow down and explore the different elements underneath the desires that they have. Typically, men, in my experience and in my work, will be very quick to rush into play with people. And what this workshop is designed to do is to really allow space to go slowly and explore their desires in a way that helps them be very specific and get in contact with what it is that they might actually be wanting. This workshop is designed to really help men look at different spaces in their own psychosexual development around, am I looking for a kind of attunement with somebody, the sense that I'm being accepted, that I'm being chosen, that I'm being read correctly. Am I looking for sensuality, an experience of feeling unburdened by some of the strictures of manhood? Am I feeling the desire for some polarity to really heighten a sense of difference and explore some of my edges? Or am I really looking for a kind of dissolve, an experience in which I kind of lose this singular notion of who I am and really dissolve into more of a collective experience? Where are my edges? Where are my preferences? Where are the places that I avoid because it makes me feel inhibited and scared or fear of rejection? A lot of strictures that are placed on men, a tremendous amount of performance pressure just being a man, and a simultaneous denial of interiority. And so much of their sexual realities are a performance and hinging on what is it that the other person thinks of me? Am I doing this right? Am I doing this person right? Am I doing what I'm supposed to do versus what do I actually want? What do I actually feel? What am I needing right now? So it's massively helpful. And it's also deeply vulnerable for men to explore that because, again, it kind of negates the whole project of performative manhood to go into the inner world and explore all the stuff that's there. I want men to be able to differentiate what it is in their desires that they're feeling. So they might feel, oh, I want to go connect with another person, but they don't necessarily know what it is that they're wanting. So it leaves a lot up for circumstance or repetitive kind of scripts that they're in. So I really want guys to be able to differentiate, what do I actually want, be able to communicate about that. And then also know inside their bodies just what they're feeling and the internal feedback that they're getting, using that as a way to direct the experience that they're having and be able to communicate about that.